Good morning, everybody. We are going to learn about concord today. What is concord? Agreement of the verb with the subject is called concord. So, in all the sentences, the verb should agree with the subject. Now, what is a sentence? What is a sentence? Group of words which makes complete sense. Group of words with complete meaning, or we can say meaningful group of words is a sentence. Now you are able to understand what is a sentence. Can you give some example for that? We pray God. She sings a song. We find a subject and verb in a sentence. What is subject and what is verb? About whom we are talking is subject, and what does the subject do is called the verb. What is the subject here? We. We is the subject here and she is the subject here. What does she do? She sings a song. So, this is verb. What do? We pray God. So, pray is verb here. So, the agreement of verb with the subject is called concord. Here, we subject, pray, we do not add yes with the verb. So, this agrees, the verb agrees with the subject. Here, subject she, verb sings, we add yes with the present tense. Only then it will agree with the subject. So, she sings a song. So, agreement of verb with subject is called concord. What is concord? Agreement of the verb with the subject is called concord. Now, let us see how a verb agrees with the subject in number and in person. Rule number 1. With singular subject, we add singular verb. With a singular subject, we add singular verb. Example, I am a doctor. She is a teacher. She teaches well. He was an engineer. A lion lives in a den. It has a tail. See, all these subjects are in singular form. So, the verb also are in the singular form. I singular, she singular, she singular, he singular, a lion singular, it singular subject. So, we add singular verb with them. I am a doctor, am is the singular verb. She is a teacher, is a singular verb. She teaches well, teaches singular verb. He was an engineer, was singular verb. A lion lives in a den, lives singular verb. It has a tail, has, it is a singular verb. Now, rule number 1, with the singular subject we add singular verb. Like that, plural verb will be added with the plural subject. Plural subject has plural verb. Example, Joel and John are friends. They play together. We were singers. You have done the work. Here, see the subject Joel and John. Plural subject. They plural. We plural. You plural. So, all the subjects here are in plural form. So, we have added plural verb or plural verb, play, plural verb, where plural verb, have done, it is also plural verb. Now, what is singular and what is plural? When there is only one person or one place or one thing, we call it singular. When there are two or more than two persons or places or things, we call them as plural. What is singular verb? What is plural verb? Let us see this column. Let us read the singular verb and the plural verb written here. am, is, they are singular verb. Are plural verb. Was singular verb, were plural verb. Writes and eats singular verb, write and eat plural verb. Has singular verb, have plural verb, have plural verb. Now I shall give you some work to do to check your understanding based on the first rule. Based on the first rule, I shall give you some work. Fill up the following sentences. Gold and silver dash precious metals. How do you fill this? Gold and silver dash precious metals. You have to fill up with is or are. Which one is right? Gold and silver, they are plural. So we have to use are. Gold and silver are precious metals. Next one, a peacock dash beautiful feathers. How do you fill up? A peacock dash beautiful feathers. Peacock is singular. So what is the singular verb here? Has or have? Has is the singular verb. So fill up with has. A peacock has beautiful feathers. Third one, fire and water dash not agree. How do you fill? Does or do? Fire and water, plural subject. Does, singular verb. Do, plural verb. So fill up with do. Fire and water do not agree. And fourth one, the dog dash bones. The dog eat bones or eats bones. The dog is singular. So we use singular verb is. Is the singular verb. The dog eats bones. Next one, lion and tiger dash in a den. Lion and tiger dash in a den. Lion and tiger, plural form. So what is the plural verb here? Live or lives. Live is the plural verb. So we use lion and tiger live in a den. Last one, the dash a large classroom. The dash a large classroom. How do you fill up? Do you use have or has? The, it is a plural subject. Here, what is the plural verb here? Have is the plural verb. So fill up with have. We have a large classroom. I have told you the answers. I hope you have written the answers. Now you check your answers with my answers. Gold and silver are precious metals. A peacock has beautiful feathers. Fire and water do not agree. The dog eats bones. Lion and tiger live in a den. We have a large classroom. Gold and silver are precious metals. A peacock has beautiful feathers. Fire and water do not agree. The dog eats bones. Lion and tiger live in a den. We have a large classroom. Now we shall see the rule number 2. When two subjects suggest single idea, we use singular verb. When two subjects suggest single idea, we use singular verb. Example, bread and butter is my breakfast. Bread and butter suggests one idea, so we use singular verb is. Time and tide waits for no man. Time and tide, same thing, so we use singular verb waits for no man. Time and tide waits for no man. The director and actor is present. The director and actor are the same person. So we use singular verb. The director and actor is present. Now we shall pass on to rule number 3. Two subjects join by with or together with or along with or as well as take singular verb. when the two subjects are joined by, with, or together with, or along with, or as well as, we use singular verb. Example, the teacher with the 40 students goes for a picnic. The teacher with 40 students goes for a picnic. With comes here, so we use singular verb. Mary as well as Meghala is active. Mary and Meghala are active. Here as well as comes, so we use singular verb. Mary as well as Meghala is active. The mayor together with councillors has to be present. The mayor together with councillors, so singular verb, has to be present. Based on the 3 rules, I shall give you some work to do to check your understanding. Choose the correct answer. The jewel with the box dash rupees 1 lakh. Cost or cost. The jewel with the box, with comes here, so we use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Cost. Next one, slow and steady dash the race. Wins or win. Slow and steady, 2 subjects suggest one idea, so we use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Wins or win? Wins. Slow and steady wins the race. Tamil as well as English dash my favorite subject. Or is. You have to put or is. Tamil as well as English. Here as well as comes, so we use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Or is. Is the singular verb, is. She and I dash playing. She and I, plural form. So we have to use the plural verb. What is the plural verb here? Was or were? Were is the plural verb. She and I were playing. She and I were playing. Next sentence, he dash a flower. She dash a flower. Brings or bring. He, it is singular. So we use singular verb. What is the singular verb? Bring or brings? Brings. Brings. He brings a flower. Next one, 6th one. The elephant dash a trunk. The elephant dash a trunk. Elephant is singular. Will you put have or has? Singular subject, so singular verb, has. Kasi along with his friends dash his teacher. Kasi along with his friends dash his teacher. Meets or meet. Kasi along with his friends, we have to use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Meets. Honor and glory dash his reward. Honor and glory, the 2 subjects suggest single idea, so we use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Is. Is the singular verb. The honor and glory is his reward. Now let us see rule number 4. When 2 singular subjects are connected by either or, we use singular verb. When 2 singular subjects are connected by either or, we use singular verb. Example, either Raja or Kala is sure to win. Either Raja or Kala and Raja, they are singular subjects. They are connected by either or. We use singular verb, is sure to win. Either this road or that road leads to the station. Either this road or that road leads to the station. Singular verb, leads, it is singular verb. Then if one of the subjects is plural, the verb should agree with the subject which comes immediately before that. If one of the subjects is plural, the verb should agree with the nearer one. Either Peter or I am correct. Either you or Peter is correct. Either he or they are present. They comes here. So we use the verb according to the subject nearer. Either he or they are present. Now we shall pass on to the next rule. Rule number 5. When two singular subjects are linked by neither nor, we use singular verb. When two singular subjects are linked by neither nor, we use singular verb. Neither he nor his wife has arrived. Neither he nor his wife. Two singular subjects connected by neither nor, we use singular verb. Has is the singular verb. Neither Saran nor Sanjay writes well. Neither Saran nor Sanjay. Sanjay does not write well and Saran also does not write well. Two singular subjects connected by neither nor, we use singular verb. Then if one of the subjects is plural, the verb should agree with the nearer one. If one of the subjects is plural, the verb should agree with the nearer one. Example, neither the teacher nor the students were present. Neither the teacher nor the students were present. Students comes here. So we use plural verb. Neither the students nor the teacher was present. Before the verb comes singular verb, so we use singular verb. Neither the students nor the teacher was present. Now coming to the rule number 6. None, each, every, many a, these words are followed by singular verb. If these words are in a sentence, we use singular verb. Each student gets a chocolate. Each student, singular. So we use singular verb, gets. Everyone has the right to vote. Everyone has singular verb, has the right to vote. Everyone has the right to vote. Next, none of them was allowed. None, no one, was allowed. Many a drop makes the mighty ocean. Many a drop makes the mighty ocean. Many a drop. So we use makes the mighty ocean. Everybody is present. Everybody, we use singular verb, present. Then rule number 7. Some collective nouns take singular verb and some collective nouns take plural verb. Some collective nouns take singular verb. The example for that, the crowd is big. The crowd, it is a collective noun. We use is singular verb here. The crowd is big. The team was allowed to play. Team is a collective noun. It's a collection of players. The team was allowed to play. Here we use singular verb was. Some collective nouns take plural verb. Many people behave rudely. People, collective noun. Here we use plural verb. Many people behave rudely. Cattle are grazing. Cattle, collective noun. We use plural noun. Cattle are grazing. Some subjects like civics, maths, politics, news, they look like plural but they are singular subjects. So when singular subjects come, we use singular verb. Example, news is good. Math is easy. They look like plural but they are singular subject. So we use singular verb. News is good. Math is easy. Some subjects look like singular but they are plural. Example for that, the police. The police, it looks like singular but it is plural. Really it is plural. The police catch the thief. This verb is plural verb. Plural subject, so plural verb. The police catch the thief. Note this. Policeman catches a thief. Policeman is singular but the police is plural. Policeman catches a thief. Catches singular verb. Singular subject, singular verb. You should know all these things. Ships or his interest. Ships plural, so we use plural verb. Ships or his interest. His interest is ship. His interest, this is singular, so we use singular verb. Then the number of students is 98. The number of students is 98. Here comes students but we use singular verb. We have to consider this part of the sentence. The number is 98. The number of students is 98. The quality of the teachers in Prasanna is good. The quality of teachers in Prasanna is good. Here comes plural subject but we use singular verb because we have to consider the quality, the beginning of the sentence. The quality is considered and not the teachers considered here. The success of the students depends on their hard work. The success of the students, success is the subject, so we use, it is singular subject, so we use singular verb. The success of the students depends on their hard work. Now I shall give you some work to do to check your understanding capacity. Number 1, find out the correct answer and fill up. Neither food nor water dash found. Neither food nor water dash found. If neither nor comes, we have to use singular verb. If the singular subjects, food is singular, what is singular? When the singular subjects are connected by neither nor, we use singular verb. So the answer is or is. Which is singular verb? This one, is. Is found. The committee its report. The committee dash its report. The committee, it is a collective noun. We have to use has or have. Has is the right answer. The committee has its report. The committee has its report. Many a child dash to have a pet. Many a child, if many a child comes, many a comes, we should write only singular verb. Many a child dash to have a pet. Which is singular verb here? Like or likes? Likes is the singular verb. So, many a child likes to have a pet. Many a child likes to have a pet. Next sentence, each child dash a gift. Each child dash a gift. Receives or receive. When each is the subject, we have to use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Receives. Each child receives a gift. Next one. One of the shirts dash. One of the shirts. One of the shirts is nice or nice. One, we have to consider this one. So we use only singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Is or is. One of the shirts is very nice. Either you or your teacher dash made a mistake. If two subjects are linked by either or, we use singular verb. So what is the singular verb here? Have or has? Has. Has is the singular verb. When two subjects are connected by either or, we use singular verb. Has is the singular verb. Seventh one, dash you going to win or dash she. If or are. You, with you, what can we add? Are is the apt verb to be added with the subject you. So, are you going to win or is she? She is the apt verb to be added with she. Next one, eighth one, the boy dash play or plays. The boy is a singular subject, so we add singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Play or plays? Plays is the singular verb. So, the boy plays. The boy plays. Bread and cheese dash a good breakfast. Bread and cheese, two subjects suggest one idea, so we have to use singular verb. What is the singular verb here? Make or makes? Makes. Bread and cheese makes a good breakfast. Bread and cheese makes a good breakfast. 10th one, a journey of 1,000 miles dash with a single step. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. Journey, it is a singular subject, so we have to consider this only and not this. 1,000 miles, we should not consider this. We have to consider this a journey. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a singular step. Let me read this again. Neither food nor water is found. The committee has its report. Many a child likes to have a pet. Each child receives a gift. One of the shirts is very nice. Either you or your teacher has made a mistake. Are you going to win or is she? The boy plays. Bread and cheese makes a good breakfast. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. Let me conclude this session with a saying that what we have learnt is a drop in the ocean, but many a drop makes the mighty ocean. Many a drop makes the mighty ocean. Thank you.